Are you preparing for the civil services examination, what commonly called as IAS selection examination? Are you aware of the critical requirement for success in this examination? Here we are, identified certain critical requirements after talking to the toppers and the rank holders. What are these key elements? As per the toppers and the rank holders, we have created acronym for this, the success formula, that is RAPID, Rapid Success Formula. What are these? R stands for revision, A stands for application, P stands for prepare own notes, I stands for intense focus, and D stands for digging deeper, relate the topic. Are you ready? Go ahead. The revision. How many number of times we have revised a particular topic after identifying it? The number of revisions is the key to success. The revision reinforces the learning, which is very critical for recollection in the examination. The types of revisions which include recollection when you have time and writing down important points about that particular topic. That is what the revision is. The revision ensures saving time in the examination. The second aspect is application of the topics which you have covered. It applies to each and every topic which you have identified to relate a particular topic to the real life situation which you came across in the news. This relation is very important for reinforced in the learning. Every topic which you have selected, it has to have a link to the real life situation. Have you identified that real life situation to link the topic which you have selected, collected material, and applied to that particular topic, applied particular lifetime situation? Application is relating to a day-to-day event. I'll take a simple example. The discretionary power of the Assembly Speaker in disqualifying a member is challenged before the Supreme Court because there is no time limit set for the Speaker to decide. That is what discretionary power of the Speaker theory related to a day-to-day event. And more the number of events you could relate a particular topic to, better retention and better recollection in the examination. Always apply the topic. Don't go to other topics unless you are sure of its application to a real life situation. Prepare your own notes is one of the important element of the rapid formula. Discard the written notes of the rank holders. Throw them in the dustbin. Do not follow their notes because they applied their mind. They prepared their own notes. You are equally capable. You are equally intelligent to prepare your own notes. Discard them, not to rely on their notes. Second, prepare notes involves preparing the bullet points. We all know, I can assure you that we all know some information, some factual information about topics which we select. First, prepare your own notes on that aspect. Write your own answer first and develop that answer. That's what your own notes comes to. Next is identify factual information about the topic and make it a formula. One topic, 10 factual information, 20 times revision. I repeat, one topic, 10 facts about that particular topic and 20 times revising those factual information. A fact is different from an opinion. Be careful about the opinions. Next, intense focus in action while preparing for this examination. What is this focus? We refer here, the toppers refer, the rank holders refer is no distractions, no digress of the attention. You become more or less like a loner in preparing for this examination. Majority of the rank holders said no, they did not engage in group discussions. No group discussions. It's like a meditation for them. in their small room, confined, created that loner environment and went into a meditation type of preparing for this examination. You have to create your own environment. You may invite your friends, provided they are there to give you factual information about a particular topic, are ready to listen to you sharing the factual information about a particular topic with them. Otherwise, it's a waste of time. Intense focus is the key here. Seclude yourself from your surroundings, including your family members. The family members, the social gatherings, functions are distractions. Keep away from all these, the social commitments. No social media chatting. Mark my word, no WhatsApp, no sharing of information, no internet surfing except for facts about a particular topic. Mark my word, social media is the biggest distractor for preparing from this civil services examination, getting a rank. You have to be away from the social media chatting. That is what the toppers did. That's what the rank holders assure. Then the fifth and important element is digging deeper. It stands for do not presume that you know the answer. You prove it by writing down the facts of the 10 facts about the particular topic and relate it to a real life event. It requires more and more research. It requires more and more collection of the factual information to relate to a particular real life situation. It won't happen just like that. Memory may happen. The more the factual information you memorize without applying to a real life situation, the more stressful environment you will be in that examination. All the toppers and the rank holders made it a point, after writing down the factual information, they not memorized the information, they related to the real life situation. Writing down what you know about the particular topic, relating to an event already happened is what is called the digging deeper. It won't happen just like that. You have to pay attention. You have to remain focused. Then only you will be able to relate a particular topic to a news item. Otherwise, you end up memorizing a particular information. If possible, take classes to others. Request your coaching center, if you are attending, to give 1 or 2 sessions and teach to others the topic. It improves your diction. It improves your confidence. It improves your command over that particular subject. Mark my word. Take the classes. And rapid happens when there is a critical ingredient, self-discipline. Self-discipline is the key to success in all the toppers and the rank holders in the civil services examination. No exception. All the civil services rank holders, the common factor is the self-discipline. Not only in this prestigious examination, in sports, do you think that they raise to the Olympic level without self-discipline? No way. Self-discipline is the driving force behind the top business magnates across the globe. The self-discipline is the key element for mastery in the music. Not only that, in warlike situation, a general has to have self-discipline to marshal his resources for a success in the war. And last but not the least, do you think that the political masters, the political genius, they raise to the highest level without self-discipline? No way. Try RAPID for success. RAPID. Let it be mantra. Let it be success formula for all of you who wants to join this prestigious civil services examination. I wish you a very best of luck. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.